Well, we sold the Z800 and the Z1000 for this, but we trade in 2 bikes for 1, so we're always going to be 2-upping, right?
Yes. Dibs on the back.
It's been a hot minute though. It's been a hot minute since you guys saw us. It's been a bit chaotic on our side, to say the least.
Yeah.
So we've posted maybe easily a month ago.
I think it's closer to 2 months.
So it's been, I don't know how to say it. What's been happening on our side, so the guys can know what's going on.
Well, we posted a week before varsity started, and then varsity started, but we didn't expect it to come at us this hard.
Yeah. No, that's
the main reason we've been so well, the 2 main reasons we've been so MIA is between varsity workload. The second part is our schedules don't open up simultaneously. So when you have a free moment, I don't, and when I have a free moment, you don't.
Yeah.
So to actually get out in a free moment doesn't work.
Yeah. So we are really sorry. I mean, really, there were so many nice people. Like this comes from both of us. We are so thankful. There were a couple of guys that actually DM'd us on Instagram and saying, you know, where are you guys? Did you guys get in an accident? Or, you know, just fill us in, because we just ghosted everyone. And bless your hearts, guys. Really, thank you so much. And we got a lot of comments, and like people liked our stuff and whatnot, but I didn't think people cared that much about our stuff.
And comments like me waiting here for these guys
there was
to
this
post
one
again.
Guy, he commented, what did he say? Oh, he was like, yeah, me just patiently sitting here waiting for the next upload. And it was so heartwarming, because, you know, like, you don't really expect the people to actually sit and wait for your stuff to post.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for all the really kind words and, like, you know, checking up on us and whatnot. But we're both fine, just very chaotic. So let's address the elephant in the room as well. This thing. Yes, it is a 2019. No, it's a 2019 KTM Super Adventure R. Red's bike is in for service. It's a major service. It's the 48,000 kilometer service. So
48,
it's been,
not 38.
how much?
40.
No, it's a 48,000 service. And it's a big service, so it's been in for a couple of weeks. No, a couple of days, sorry. And this has been the first opportunity where we've actually been able to come together, get the gear going, film something.
But Katrina's out of commission.
Yes. So we decided, you know what, stuff it. Let him get on my bike, I get on this
boat.
I like the bike, but this is great. But I like this.
This is brilliant, but I like this.
Just not that, yes.
Oh man. So we've got a lot of crazy ideas. Now we're not going to spoil them now, but we have some stupidly cool ideas coming in the future. But with university and stuff, it's really difficult to keep up with it. But I can't wait till we get a gap to film those other things.
Yep.
All those other ideas, because man, you guys are going to love it. Now it will be kind of awkward if you guys don't like it, but so yeah, I guess that's it. Can you remember how many months was it? It was a couple of months ago. You and I stood in a cul-de-sac somewhere, and we drew 100 on the floor to mark our, you know, we got 100 subs. What? Can you remember what I said? So we got here now. Now what? We just keep on going.
Yeah, we keep going, man.
Okay.
Now we add another 0. You don't have any water left. We add another 0.
Next step 500.
Yeah, well, obviously, but it's easier to just add a 0 than turn that into a 5.
Oh, that's a bit of a lopsided 0. But yeah, we did it.
We did it!
Okay, well, I don't know how long it took us, but man, 1,000 people, that's insane. That's insane.
Well, granted, we are a little bit above. We're at 1.31
1.31 the last time I checked now.
yeah,
was
1.3. So welcome to the additional 300 on top of the 1,000. But
So,
yo, didn't think we'd get here very.
and back then we said 100 people in a room staring at you, watching you do this is really bad.
It's a lot of people, and we went and added another 0.
Yeah. But the subscribers that we have are super nice. You guys are some of the coolest dudes we've ever met.
And chicks.
Huh?
We might have chicks.
Oh,
Let's not forget
and
about them.
the whammon too. But you know, from the DMs that we've gotten, from the comments, everyone's super nice, super supportive, and just like if I could give you all a hug, I would, just to say thank you. You guys are making it absolutely worthwhile. We enjoy making the content. It's super fun for us. We've got some great ideas coming. It's gonna be chaos on our channel, and if it wouldn't be this fun without all of your guys' support and like the kind words and things. So massive thanks to you guys, really. I guess that's it. And then yeah, like we said, there's big plans coming. No promises, we don't know when those are going to come out.
Yeah, maybe just bear with us a little bit.
Yeah, because
between our schedules and finding time to film, and on top of that there's still the editing.
Because it's one thing to have like 2 people in a channel and like 2 content creators, like, you know, but realistically we don't do this full time, we do this for fun.
Yeah.
And to get 2 people with 2 different schedules to come together and make videos and, you know, edit them and upload them consistently is kind of difficult, but everyone's been nice about it at least. So.
Yeah.
All right, I guess in the future we'll do a video on the KTM at some point. I mean, we'll talk about I'm sure there's someone out there. There's got to be someone out there like thinking, oh,
I mean, they can let us know in the comments if they even want a video on it.
Yeah, if you guys want to, maybe like someone post a comment saying we want to see the KTM, and then everybody like that comment, and then judging off that if you guys want to see it. I'm pretty sure by the next video that we release, Katrina will be back, so that's not a worry. But let us know if you guys want to see this thing. It ain't much, but it's honest work. Yeah, and we can maybe do a review, check what the performances are, can walk you guys through all the controls and stuffs. But alright guys,
Daddy bike gets to carry the bag. Where do you want me to put it on this beautiful bike?
where must I put it?
This thing is built for taking
Yeah,
stuff.
but I don't have the things on.
But that, I don't know. Would you rather I carry that with a metal can on that?
No, you don't fall with that.
Exactly.
What are we? Oh, okay. Guess we're going shopping. Nice. Listen to her purr. Don't give your non-starting problems to my bike now as well. This guy, he's leaving me in the dust and I have this ugly bag with me. This is so dangerous. I got a quick shift to do. Yeah? Now you're caught at the fucking... He jumps the light. That he just leaves me. Now I'm sitting with a plastic bag at a red light and he just leaves me to fend for myself. Okay, no, that's fine. You see, because he's on 1,000 now. Now he thinks he's hot. He thinks he's the main hond, the groot seun, the alpha. He thinks he's the alpha.
Let me hear the...